Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you check your Bluetooth device name, and guys you want to rename guys your Bluetooth device name, so guys you can rename also. In this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys you will have to guys come in guys your phone setting to check and guys rename. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see this type of setting, so guys you will have come in guys your Bluetooth setting. So first of all guys you can see guys there is no any option to check our Bluetooth device name and guys rename. So first of all guys you will have to on it. So friends, you can see guys now device name settings. So guys we will tap here. So you can see guys your device name is Realme phone, and guys you want to change into your name and guys another name. So example guys I will change into guys mobile Realme. So I will save it, means rename. So guys now you can see guys your Bluetooth device name has changed in your Realme phone. So like that guys you can check and guys rename your Bluetooth device name in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.